guys, so we've had quite a few requests for mixed ruffle packs, and rather than keep doing custom orders and listing them separately in Etsy, what I've decided to do is just put up one listing that is like a general listing with a mixed ruffle pack, and what you will get is just a random mix of different coloured papers, coffee dyed papers, and different coloured and different types of fabric ruffles. So kind of like a mystery ruffle pack, if you may. Now, this is one pack that I've done. This pack is already sold, but I'll show you just kind of as an example of what you may or may not get if you purchase one of the mixed ruffle packs that I'm listing in Etsy. So you may not get any of these fabric because as fabric runs out, I use a different fabric. But these are some of the ones I've used for this pack. So this is blue dyed paper, just plain blue ruffle. I have scissors everywhere. Seriously, in every room, every desk, there's scissors. So this is another blue one with some satin fabric, and you probably can't see it on camera, but this actually has like really faint outline of flowers on the fabric, but you can see it in person, but I don't think it shows up on camera. It's another blue ruffle, and this fabric has little blue and white flowers. They're the side view. I really love ruffle pages in journals. I just think these pages were just dyed yesterday afternoon, so they're still a bit, they're not quite flat yet. But don't they look pretty? I think they look so nice, and you can use them in any different types of journals. It's another blue one. This is some sheer blue fabric, and I really like how this one comes up. I think that'll be gorgeous hanging over. That's quite a wide one. I may trim this guy down a little. This is some pink on coffee dyed paper with some sheer pink fabric. This is actually pink on blue photocopy paper. This is actually the last page I had of this, so the packs in Etsy probably won't see any more of the blue photocopy dyed paper ones. Look at this one. I love how this one came up. It's kind of got a yellowy tinge around the green. I don't know, I really love that one. This is some vintage fabric from my grandmother. It's all flowers, and it's so retro. It's kind of like jungle flowers. I mean, you can't tell with the ruffles, but if you see the whole sheet. Another green one. This has just got little red, white and blue teeny tiny flowers. Sorry, I'm sniffing. Another green one. That's the same fabric as the last one. Pink. Plain pink ruffle. So of course, because the packs are kind of, I dye papers in batches. You know, one day I might dye a whole batch of green, next day I may do a whole batch of coffee dyed. So the colours may vary, so sometimes the pink paper may be darker or lighter. It'll just depend. This is some red one with teeny tiny little white flowers. And I think I've only got like 2 little strips of this fabric left. I've been using it for ages. Another pink one with some purple ruffle. And I really like this purple ruffle. I think it came up nice. Okay, so this is a coffee dyed one. And this coffee dye, and this is a fairly light one compared to what I'd normally do. I love really heavy dyed coffee dyed papers. And this is I don't know, it's like a silver grey, and I actually really I think this and the next one are my favourite. I think that just looks really nice. This one, I love this. This is coffee dyed papers as well, and it's tiny little red and I don't know, red, brown and white flowers with little green leaves. So pretty. This was also from my grandmother. She was a seamstress, knitter, crocheter for many, many years, and I was lucky enough to have a lot of her fabric handed down to me. I don't know, this makes me think of sunrise. Just the different shades. I actually can't remember what this was from. I've got quite a large square, this fabric, but kind of got like tiger stripes in there, but I don't remember what that was originally. This is some coffee dyed paper with purple sprayed on it. And this one I've put down a paper doily, so you can kind of see the doily. And I like grungy papers, so these sort of ones are my favourite. I know they're not for everyone, but if you do order a pack of the mixed ruffle packs, I'm happy for you to put in the comments field at checkout if there's one that you don't want or you do want. So if you want, I don't know, more blues, no pinks, put that in the comments. If you don't want heavy coffee dyed papers, just put that in the comments. I'm fine to do whatever. I will try to accommodate your requests, but you know, if you ask me for black and silver fabric, I may not have that. So try not to be too picky if you can. But I'll try and make them for what you want. So I mean, if you wanted all orange papers, fine, put that in the comments, and I'll do them up for you if I can. The orange ones, I hadn't thought of doing orange dyed papers before, but I had a request for some, and I love how they came out. They're one of my favourites now. I just, especially with this fabric, I just think giraffe for some reason. I want to make up some giraffe packs now. I think they're so gorgeous. And this orange, I mixed myself. I had, because I don't have orange dye, I just used some red and yellow. And that's the orange one. So this isn't the pack you would get, but this is kind of a sample, I suppose. But look how delicious they look. I love them. Anyway, also this is 20 pages here. The packs I'll put in Etsy, I'll put packs of 10, I think. Oh, actually, you know, I might do a 10 pack and a 20 pack. I'm not sure. You'll see when you go into Etsy. But yeah, this is 20 pages. I normally put packs of 10. But if you do want more in a pack, yeah, you can always just message me through Etsy, because I know with postage, it's just cheaper to get a bunch at once. Anyway, that's it. And thank you everyone for your lovely comments and support. And I'm really hoping to get some crafty videos up soon. Thanks for watching.